So while we're over this side of the engine bay, we're going to make a few disconnections. We've got a couple of hoses to take off this catch can. We have the fuel line to disconnect. We have a breather hose, the vacuum hose for the brake master cylinder to disconnect from the engine. And we have the fuse box to take off and leave with the engine. That's a much easier way of doing things. So with the catch can, the evaporative catch system, we need to disconnect this hose from the throttle body for the recirculation and disconnect this vent hose from the subframe. And that's ready to lift off. And this hose just pulls down. This hose just unclips from the subframe. So we're going to remove this fuel line now. What we want to do is just wrap some rags, some cloth around that to catch any drips. And then we're going to come in with these pliers. Now, these fuel clips are a little tricky to undo. I'll show you once it's off, but these pliers are ideal for the job. We just need to reach in, squeeze together this clip, and pull off the pipe. Like so. So to separate these fuel connections, we've got two little plastic flaps that we need to squeeze in using these pliers, and that enables us to lift this off. It releases them from this locking area here. It's quite hard to show that, but I think you can see. Like that. We're going to disconnect this vacuum hose that goes between the intake manifold and the brake master cylinder. Just pull off, there we go.